Yep.
G'day, my name's Brad Match. I'm going to do a bike check. You name it, boy. You know, going to talk about my bike and the prices. You name it, boy. And we've got a bloody animal tyre. It's about, got 160 PSI in it. You name it, boy. And we've got a BCD hub. You name it. Don't know how much it costs, but you name it. Got a chain bar from Hot Joe's, bruh. That cost me 68 bucks, you name it. Got my cranks, bruh, the Primo, you name it, $400, you can't go wrong. Got an Odyssey headstand, you name it. That cost me about, I don't know, stock, bruh. Got Greg K here. That cost him about $15, you know it. It's pretty good dirt tire too. Can't go wrong with eBay these days. We've got Odyssey Fuchs, bruh. Can't go wrong. Got about 140 in the tyre. Can't go wrong. We've got an Odyssey grips, bruh. They're alright, not the best, but I like Animal the best because they're more softer, they last longer, but Animal went broke, so yeah, can't do nothing about that, brother. Subscribe, brother.
What about your frame?
Oh, yeah, McNeil frame, bro, you name it, boy. So, yeah, she's alright, but I'm trying to break it, I want to get a dirt jumper, so, you name it. Subscribe, motherfucker.